Hi everyone! So my husband got me the beauty box from Boots for my birthday, so let's open it and see what's in it. It's heavy. You're just chilling there, Rolo. Oh my goodness. So he does really well with gifts. I do get not a beauty box, but a box from Boots for Christmas every year. So I've had different ones. But yeah, we've got face masks. Oh, under eye patches. Oh, glazed donut aftershave oil. That sounds good. It's so full. Some SPF 50 cream. Your Brazilian Bum Bum cream. What's this one? This one's rosa. I haven't tried this one. We've got a NARS. What is it? Eyes, lips and cheeks. Should we see what's in here? Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that colour. Oh, I got one of these in my last box. I got this one. Got a new one. Some lip treatment. Oh, look at the colour. Nice. What's this? I think this is mascara. Maybelline. It is. We see the brush. Okay. Oh, I like the bottle. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Number 7 Dewbank cream. We've got some hair cream. What else? Oh, we've got some eyeshadow stain. I don't know what make that is. It's all good though. Some lotion. Some scalp and hair therapy. Some Bioma cream. Not Bioma, yeah. Oh, a liquid mask. Some more cream. And oh, a Fenty Beauty. What's this? Oh, a lip liner. Bubble tinny. I need to open it all. I think that's everything. I need to show you. There's the masks, all the creams. I think I've showed everything, but these boxes are so good, like for a gift or just to treat yourself. Like, there's just so much stuff in here. I think it's definitely worth the money. I don't know half the brands. I'm not really a skincare makeup person. I'm just a moisturizer, go with the flow. But I'm going to try and use everything because I've got so much stuff out of these boxes. I really need to start using them all. But yeah, I like the box of that one. That's cool. But yeah, that's your beauty box from Boots and all the stuff you get inside. Thanks for watching.